Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're not, thank you so much for watching, and I really want to thank you all for your comments. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. It really means so much to me to have you all here. I have really missed, I don't know how you say it, but it just seems, I have posted videos, but they were older videos, and so I haven't, because my mom's been sick and so much going on, I haven't got to make any new videos in a little over a week, and I have really missed you all. And I have now I'm going to show you all my Boxycharm Base box. I really was happy with this one. This one weighed 0.9 pounds. I know many of you like to know those details, and let me tell you what version it is. It is 44, and it is the Glam Vibes Only is the theme this month. So the first thing I got is, and again this was my choice, it is the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream from Pharmacy. I love the Pharmacy products. The lid wasn't really on it, but it was still okay. So, I mean, it's pink. It doesn't smell like cherries really, but as I'm getting older, I really appreciate under eye, anything to do with under eye, especially the good stuff. So that retails for $45. It says a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. So again, that retails for $45, and I believe that Pharmacy is a fairly expensive brand, but it does work good. Oh, let me show you this. I was really hoping to get one of these. I actually think I'm happier with my base box probably than I am the Luxe, because I was really happy with, which I mean the Luxe, I got a few items I was really hoping to get, but this, I really like my base box. So I was so happy to get this. This is the Hank & Henry Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. Love your lips with Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. That's a mouthful. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves as it applied to your lips, and is encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. The formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. This retails for $18. Let me put that on here. And look at this packaging. If you haven't seen it before, it is so pretty. Look at this. That is just absolutely stunning. Look at that. And you just push this little button on the bottom. Oh, wrong bottom. And look at this. It is just, look at that. Wow, look at that. Just how beautiful. I almost don't want to use it. Look how pretty. Let me swatch it. I didn't think to. I'll have to do a review on this, and Look, I just look at all the sparkles. Look how pretty. This is in the color, what is this in the color? Lust. Satin matte lipstick, and it says Lust, so I assume that means that is the color. Look how pretty. This is one of those ones that you have to leave sitting on your vanity because it is just too pretty to put away. So I'm going to do, when I don't, let's see, yeah, my lips stuff's still on too much to put this on, but I'm going to do a review on that very soon. I think, and the color, it seems to, I mean, it's not a color I would pick out if I was to pick one out, but I still like it. And did I say how much? Yeah, 18. And then the next one is this $1 billion beauty sponge. And it feels nice. I always use a new sponge, and this retails for $15. Let me put this on my list so I can tell you at the end how much the box valued at. It says this charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter. And again, that retails for $15. And then I got, and I almost bought this at the, y'all know I mean, we all probably love mascaras, so I got this, and I almost bought this on at the add-on, so I'm glad I didn't. And this is the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara in black. It retails for $24. So I probably won't open it right now because I've usually open them to show y'all the ones. When I do open it, I will do just a little short video of this because I don't want them all to go bad. So I'll do a little short video on that when I do open it. And I was so happy to get this. Looky there. I was so happy to get this. It's the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. Perfect for day and night. This palette features 8 stunning shades. The 4 shimmers are just like you, multi-dimensional and unique, dripping in fine glitters and reflective pearls. Ground your look with the easy to blend and ultra long wearing mattes. And this retails for $28. Oops. Plus 28, making my box retail value $130. So that is, I think, a good value. Look at the pretty colors. I can't wait to play around in this. Let's look at this beautiful purple. Wow, that is so pretty. And this pinky. I've still got stains on my fingers from doing the other palette, but that is, how do you say that? G-U-A-O. Look at that. And that is, like I said, I still got stains on my fingers where I just did. Which palette stained my fingers? I think it was, I don't know if it was the Queen palette or the other one, but I definitely got colored on my fingers that don't want to come off. So let's try this pink matte. Oh, look at that. That is, I actually don't know. What are these? I understand one word, excited. Swain is a beautiful palette. Look at that. even the packaging. Y'all know I love packaging. I'm gonna have to go scrub my hands. Look at those. So pretty. Wow, those are even prettier than I expected. Look at that shimmer there. So pretty. That was that the Queen? I don't remember. I just did swatches on 2 other palettes, and yeah, my fingers are wanting to be stained, so I need to go scrub that off before my arms are permanently stained. Well, not permanently, but you know what I mean, where it won't want to come off right away. So that is my base box. And what do you all think? I think it was a really good box. I was really happy with the base box. I think I'm really happy with all 5 products on my base box. And oops, I didn't put my card back. I like to save my cards to look back on. When I empty the box out, I'll put the cards in a drawer. So if I ever want to look back on exactly what I got when, or if I need to know, again, that box retail value of that whole box was 100, what did I say, 130? I've done deleted it, but I believe I said 130. And I'm really happy with that box. So please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And I thank you all so much for watching. And I do apologize that I haven't been here putting new videos up this last week. Like I said, my mom has been really sick and in the hospital, and she has been diagnosed with stage 3 kidney failure, and I've been really stressed about that, not knowing. She also has lupus, so she's only in her 60s. I don't look at that as old anymore. I guess as we get older, it doesn't seem to be that old, but because she has lupus, she does have health problems, and I know kidney problems and organ failure and all that can be part of the lupus. So please keep her in your prayers, and I've been praying for her, and I really appreciate you all. I really do thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. I love you all. Bye bye.